Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and today we get to look at a JCB padlock. JCB are a really big company over here in the UK, possibly Europe as well. They make diggers, excavators, heavy machinery, all sorts of things. And I bought the padlock, but I was disappointed to find out that it doesn't operate JCB ignitions like, weirdly, some of the Caterpillar brand padlocks do. The keys actually work in the ignitions of some of the heavy machinery as well. Now, this is a shrouded shackle, and although it's painted, it appears to actually be metal, which is good. It's only partially shrouded though. You don't pull the entire shackle out. It's good for not losing the shackle, but bad for twist attacks. It's not very strong against those. It did come extremely well greased. I don't know whether you can tell from the key, but the first time I used it, this whole keyway was covered in a nice thick clear grease, which I actually think is pretty good. Double ball bearing locking mechanism as well. So that's again another good feature. Anti-shims, better against pulling attacks. Yeah, it's not too bad. It seems to be a little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin lock as well. Let's have a look what it says on the back. It's clearly a steel laminated padlock as well, so nothing too special. But it says here 10 years guarantee, sure, but it's a 10 out of 15. Would you say somewhere between garage but more heading towards professional level lock? It says it's a hardened steel 9mm diameter shackle, closed shackle, double dead locking, 50mm steel body protective body cover, 4-pin tumbler. 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 pins. I'll give it. Whenever I see a 4-pin laminated padlock, tell me that it has a 10 out of 15 security rating, professional level security rating. Makes me think we should try and rake this. So bottom of the keyway, turning tool, bit of light tension, a triple peak rake, pop that in and give it a bit of go under some turning force. Oh, and yep, there we go. That's the open. In the interest of fairness, I thought I'd give a go at single pin picking this as well. So got some tension on, click on pin 4 and 3, but very slight. Nothing on 2, pin 1 now. That was quite deep. Okay, back through then. Pin, oh, almost lost my tension. Pin 4 at the back, pin 3, little movement there. Pin 2's binding, I'll click on 2, just check pin 1, nothing there, back to the back, nothing on 4, maybe some mild counter rotation on 3, pin 2 now, and we're open. So I don't know what's going on inside there. I think it might have some spools, but the bitting just makes it feel like they're serrated. That's what I'm guessing anyway. So in terms of pick resistance, maybe it's bitting dependent. Like most locks are, so maybe this is a slightly better lock than it first appears. I do believe it has security pins in. We're never going to tell because we can't actually take it apart, but yeah, a fun little lock to play with. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you like this video, leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so because it really helps me out. So yeah, I'll see you all next time.